Hey folks, Mrmasonluke here doing an unboxing video. Today I got a package in the mail that I was not expecting per se. This one arrived and I have a couple different things that I'm supposed to be unboxing and reviewing for a couple companies. So just in case it's one of them, I'm going to open it. So just a very thin package. I'm thinking it might be a pair of underwear. I'm supposed to be doing a review for Rodeoh in the near future, so I'm wondering if that's what it is, but I'm pretty sure Rodeoh is out of California, and this says Nevada. So I'm just going to open it and see what it is. And I'm right. Okay, so these are the Rodeoh TRUHK boxers. So Rodeoh contacted me to do a review for them of the trunks. These are their brand new packing underwear. They also work for STPs. I gave them my specific waist size measurements as well as one of my favorite underwears, to give them an idea of size. And they wanted me to review this one in particular just because I do a lot of stuff with packing and peeing. So I'm going to go ahead and open them up. So according to them, I am their size 2X. And I wear a lot of 2X to 1X size underwear, so that makes sense. Let me show you guys. So it is a basic pair of boxer briefs from what it looks like. They are a super duper soft material. They're made out of bamboo. 95% bamboo, 5% elastane, which is probably just the waistband itself. So you can see that there. They are machine washable, ironing available, washing cold water. So what else do we have going on here? Let's check them out. So they have a pouch in the front here. Let's see if I can get this so you guys can see it a little bit more. So pouch here. So this is what they call an H-fly on the front. So the two seams go down here, and then there's a pocket across the top that you can go in this way with. Ta-da! Okay. So H-fly, and actually you can kind of see the ring there. So the ring in this one is not a plastic O-ring in it. It's actually like a soft O-ring. So if I take it down this way, you can see the O-ring. And then there's also what looks like, if I turn them inside out, the same H pocket on this side as well. So much bigger pocket on the inside. And then you have the other one on the outside. It also has what they call an ergonomic pouch. So what a cisgendered male would use with a little extra room on the outside. You can usually tell that based on if there's a little puckering toward the bottom or a little sewing strip. So the sewing strip would be here, which makes it kind of pucker out a little bit, so you have room for everything you're packing down there. And then in between, obviously, you have this O-ring, but it's a soft O-ring, it's just an elastic O. And you can see it's actually pretty big, too. Just to get an idea of size-wise. So it's stretchy. Starts out probably about an inch and probably stretches, at least 3 inches in probably girth. Probably, yeah, I can put my whole freaking wrist in there. So that's a really good stretchability. I know a lot of people are always looking for what kind of underwear they can use with certain prosthetics that aren't going to cause them to rip. So this might be a really good option for folks that are using maybe some of those erect models that are, pretty girthy. They have that at least 5 inches in girth or more. And you're worried about tearing because the O-rings can be a little bit tough on them or hard. So really good option probably for that. So I'm going to be testing them with a bunch of different underwear, see what I think about them. But they are super, super soft. I'm really excited about the H-fly in them because that usually means that they're better for being able to stand to pee. So you have your little, stand to pee, funnel kind of back here hidden by this pouch. Then it goes through that O-ring, and then you have the shaft in the front, and then you're able to just simply kind of pull out the shaft and be able to quickly access, to be able to stand to pee. The only thing that I would say I would be concerned about at this point is because the material is so soft, I feel like maybe some of the more erect STPs might not be able to kind of like push down against the body enough. So you might not be able to get like that same support of being able to kind of pack close to the body. It might kind of still stay a little bit erect. I'm just looking in here to see if there's anything else in the pouch. No, just the O-ring. Okay. I feel like it'd be hard to put like anything. Yeah. So just a pouch in there. But you could potentially put it in the front pouch or the back pouch if you're just using a basic packer. So that's an option too. But cool underwear, and I look forward to reviewing them. Rodeoh has also provided me with a discount code if you want to try them for yourself. I'm going to put that information into the comments. I believe it is time limited, but if I get enough people that are interested in it, they are willing to look at doing some renewals for future discount coupons. So stay tuned, and I'll try to update it as I can. Look forward to watching the review. Don't forget to hit subscribe so that you know when it comes out. And thanks to Rodeoh for providing the product for review. I look forward to working with you guys more in the future. Thanks, guys.